A quick video on what I'm seeing on Bitcoin. Got my stock charts, Larry Williams crystal ball indicator brought up. Let's take a look, see what we see. Okay, this is April 24th. It's right around 12:35, 12:36 p.m. Central Time. Look like it's holding the Ichimoku cloud for support. That's good. It dipped below it over here yesterday, but it closed above it, so that's still good. As long as we don't break that, I think we're all right. My Williams cycle forecast down here, it's showing kind of sideways until April 26th, and then looks like a pretty good little rally coming up till the 30th, maybe a little dip, going down to April or May 2nd. A little rally and then another dip April or May 4th. I'm still stuck on April. And then a pretty good rally from the 4th until about the 20th, May 20th. If you wanted to short-term trade it, you could. I know Larry Williams does a whole year estimation. He made it December, January. I went ahead and bought it this year. He's showing pretty good odds of an uptrend, sometime late April, early May. So that would be, lining up pretty much with what we're seeing. Your seasonality is showing down. It's showing a downtrend, which pretty much nailed the action here from April 16th. You topped out, looks like April 14th. If you see your blue line down here is what I'm looking at on the seasonal. It did follow it pretty good. April, May is usually a really strong time frame for Bitcoin or crypto in general. Now it only pretty much tracks your short-term action till May 20. According to it, it's downtrending, looks like. But so let's hope this red line, the cycle forecast, is more accurate than the seasonal, but so far your seasonal is picking up on this downtrend pretty good. At top, if you followed it, April 16th was the top, maybe even the 18th, and then a downtrend pretty much. Yeah, looks like maybe May 2nd, and you get a slight uptick till May 11th, and a pretty good little downtick till the 13th, a little rally to the 12th or 14th, and then it's showing down till May 20. But so there again, I'm guessing you're probably going to get some kind of bounce off the bottom of this cloud. That's what I'm guessing. Could be wrong, but it could bust through it. If you go to your TradingView app, I've learned quite a bit on this Market Cipher and a lot more about TradingView, since my last video. But so I'm learning from a guy named Jason Casper on YouTube. He's got a lot of good technical analysis videos. So if you see, we're on an 8 count here. Let me zoom this up so you can see it better. Zoom in. Yeah, we're on an 8 count down. That's on a daily time frame on Bitcoin. So I'm guessing maybe one more down day. Sometimes you'll get a 9 and then 1 to 3 more down days. I could probably find an example of that, but let's see. Yeah, you didn't get your 9 count here, but sometimes it'll reverse on the 9. Sometimes you don't get your. It depends on how strong an uptrend you're in. Yeah, I can't really find an example right away, which we've been in a really strong uptrend. Here's one where we hit a 9 count and started to rally really on the 1-2 right after that. This was back July of last year, July 19th. Hit the 9 on July 18th, rallied on July 19th. So, they could definitely do something like that. I have learned to use your 21 exponential moving average. That's your green red line. On Market Cipher A, you can set this up on ribbon 5. where it will let me show you here, market cipher A, go to your settings on your cogwheel, go down to ribbon 5, select that. That's your 21 exponential moving average. And I selected green, you know, for bullish, red for bearish. Set all that up. So it literally turns red, you know, when you've got a big sell signal. I'm not exactly sure how it calculates it. I mean, it's supposed to be when it closes below that, I believe, and then it may give it 2 or 3 bars, looks like, for confirmation, maybe 4, and then it turns red when it's bearish, which obviously in a downtrend, but a little late to the party. I like Williams for that a lot better. You know, when it crosses below your 20, your negative 20 up here at the top of that indicator, so you're at negative 17 over here on your reading. When that crossed below negative 20 on the next day, that's your get out signal, in my opinion. You could even use a 4-hour or even a shorter time frame to get out a little sooner. If you go to a 4-hour, you can see how far back? Yeah, right here. On April 14th, you got your sell signal at 7 a.m. That would have been a pretty good time to take profit. If you are on this 9 count, you can see, let me close this up. You can see it hit a perfect 9 count right there. If you're using TD sequential, but you got to find that, you know, hack version of it, or you message me, I might be able to email it to you. It's kind of a pain to set it up. You got to go down here to your Pine editor, and you can Google it. Just Google TD. Tom DeMark is who created it. Tom DeMark, DeMark. I think that's how you spell his last name. You can just Google script for TradingView, TD sequential script for TradingView, and it should come up. I forget who had the exact version of it, but I'm going to end this video. That's about all I got for now. Thanks.